Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the night mode on the Hizo application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click the settings icon at the lower left corner of the home screen. The settings icon. And in the left bar you can find the appearance section. Go to the first option, the night mode, and here you can select the day, the night, or the system mode. Actually I use the system, but if you want to select the night mode you can click that and you can use the night mode. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.